Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be drawing a cactus. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to be doing is drawing the pot of a cactus. So to do that, we're going to create one horizontal line, just like that. And then we're going to create little lines coming out of it, curved lines, and then connect that to form a rectangle. And then from there, we're gonna go on the ends of it, little to the right of the end, and we're gonna bring it down. And same thing for the other side. And then connect it. And now we're gonna create the actual plant of this. So to create the plant, we're gonna make one big curve from here to all the way into a big U shape. Bring it down. Same thing for the other side, a little bit smaller here. Go from over here and make a big U shape and then bring it down. And then over here too, you need to make a big U shape, bring it down. And then you do the same thing over here. And then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna make one big one right here, and then one coming out to the right of it, to the left. So that's my plant, and now we're gonna add some more details to the plant as it looks really plain right now. I'm gonna add little heart shapes to the ends of them. Almost looks like a flower on the top, and it looks really nice. So I want to do like 4 of them, so make one over here too. Just like that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some like details to it. So I'm gonna add lines. So I'm basically go from the middle section, middle of it, and then go down. Just like that. And do that all, do that. And do that for all of them. In the middle, and you go down to the sides. And then you make one down the middle. Same thing here. Go from here, go to the side. Make one in the middle, and go to the side. And go to the sides. And then go down the middle. Go to the sides. And you make it down the middle. Just like that. And now our cactus is gonna be a bit spiky, so we're gonna add line to the plant, just like that. Wherever you want, you can add some lines, because these plants are usually very spiky, so you can create the same effect, just like that. And you can even add some on the lines. Like that. And now we're finished with the drawing part, so now let's color it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the coloring and drawing, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.